everywhere. Chicken this, chicken that. Everybody talking about some chicken, but yeah, y'all don't really understand how the chicken nugget's probably one of the best things I ever ate. And I ain't talking no McDonald's chicken. I stay with them Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets, man. Shoot, but whatever ones is your favorite, man. Hey, turn this out real quick.
Chicken and nuggets, chicken and nuggets, chicken and nuggets, yeah. Chicken and nuggets, chicken and nuggets, chicken and nuggets, yeah. Chicken and nuggets, chicken and nuggets, chicken and nuggets, yeah. Yeah, I chicken on your nuggets. Watch me chicken on your nuggets. Watch me chicken on your nuggets. Watch me chicken on my nuggets. Yeah, chicken and nuggets, chicken and nuggets, chicken and nuggets. Yeah. Chicken and nuggets, chicken and nuggets, chicken and nuggets. Yeah. Watch me put that chicken nugget in that ketchup sauce. Watch me put that chicken nugget in that honey mustard. Watch me put that chicken nugget in that ketchup sauce. Cause you know I'm a boss. Better call me Rick Ross. Chicken nugget, oh chicken nugget. Yeah, that junk so good. Let me eat it up so nice. Yeah, I ain't from the hood. Suburbs all day though. Go to Chick-fil-A though. Eat that when I say though. I want chicken nuggets, yo. Let me get that chicken. Let me get them nuggets. Yeah, I want them good. Yeah, I ain't no hugging. Let me get that chicken. Let me get them nuggets. Yeah, I ain't good, but I know I love it. Look, chicken on my nuggets. Chicken on your nuggets. Chicken on my nuggets. Chicken on your nuggets. Chicken on my nuggets. Chicken on your nuggets. Chicken on your nuggets. Chicken on my nuggets. Hey. Chicken and nuggets, chicken and nuggets, chicken and nuggets. Yeah. Chicken and nuggets, chicken and nuggets, chicken and nuggets. Yeah. Chicken and nuggets, chicken and nuggets, chicken and nuggets. Yeah.
When I got a hunger that's feeling abundant, but I'm on a budget, I go get them nuggets. I hit on my homie, he told me to grab him some too. But he knew I done it already. Whether it's 5, 10, or 20 a piece, there's plenty so everyone eats. I tend to drop them line into a feast. Feel like I eat nuggets every week. Sometimes I get them along with some fries. Sometimes I get them as one of my sides. Sometimes I get them and make them get saucy. Sometimes I get them and dip them in frosty. Gotta get his and hers, cause anything worse than stealing from wifey. In all of the seasons of flavors, you learn to savor the ones that are spicy. Nuggets in life, I'm told, are worth their weight in gold. I'm hoping that folks will know it's more than food to go. It's actually food for your soul. Nuggets in life, I'm told, are worth their weight in gold. I'm hoping that folks will know it's more than food to go. It's actually food for your soul.